In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can update games on your Switch or Switch 2. This will also work with any of those other, Switch variants like the OLED and the Lite. But before we actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by going to your home screen, and what you're going to want to do is hit the home button and it'll take you to this main section. Once you're in here, you're going to find whatever game you want to update. For example, we'll go ahead and say it's Resident Evil right here. Go ahead and highlight the game and then hit the little like plus icon or the minus button on your controller. You're going to hit one of these two options, so try both, and it's going to open up a menu like this for you. This is the game's options menu. Go ahead and scroll up to software update, and then what you're going to want to do is hit via the internet. As soon as you go ahead and do that, your Switch will check to see if there's an update. If an update is available, it'll go ahead and download it immediately. If it says you're running the latest version like it does for me right now, then your game's already up to date. Now, if you don't want to manually check every time, you can enable automatic updates. You could do this by backing out of this section right here and going to system settings down at the very bottom. Open this up and then scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and you're going to be in system right here. Go ahead and scroll over and scroll down until you see automatic software updates on here. And just make sure it's turned on just like so, or off depending on your preference. But that is it. That is how you can update games here on a Switch or Switch 2. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.